Hey neighbor, it's Ryan from Hippie Witch Heart, and it is day 1 of Vlogmas. Yay! If you didn't watch my intro video, it was here, somewhere in the thing, from yesterday. You can watch it. Each day of Vlogmas this year, we're actually going to be doing Yarnmas and drinkmas, which are two things I love to do. I have my advent calendar from Waterdrop, and I'm very excited to bring you the first of our yarn unboxings. I actually don't know what colors I'm going to do. I'm going to reach into here and decide. If you are new to the Hippie Witch Heart community, we do the brew crew. We're big on drinks and having something fun. So I have my Waterdrop water bottle here. But I'm going to put a link in the bottom. It's for like a $15 coupon. If you feel like using it, feel free. They're really good and I recommend them, so just try them. Day 1, let's get into it. This is, oh god, this one is called, oops, I threw it, Snow. It says it's a blueberry, blackberry, and apple with other natural flavors. Cool. Let's see what it tastes like. Rip it better than I just did. Just throw that one right in there. We're going to give that a few minutes to get its life together. Super easy. This is like a kid in a candy store thing. I've never really done anything like this. I love it. Oh wow, that's heavy. Okay. Day 1 is... how do I open this? Oh, it's from the bottom. Well, then why are the handles on top? I don't understand German packaging. I'm not doing well. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh, it feels really heavy, like it's glass. Packed in there really well, jeez. Oh, it's a candle! Okay. It's a little water drop candle. Ooh, it smells very good, but there's no notes on it. Is there a description thingy? There sure isn't. So it doesn't tell me anything about this candle, but I'm very excited. I'm sure I can find it on their website. Do the Google thing. I'll put it here. Look at the candle. Cute. I know, it's really nice. It smells really good too. I don't know what it is, but it smells good. Alright, here's the thing. Tell me in the comments, because I haven't figured this part out yet. There are some of them that just aren't here yet. They're not. They're going to be, according to this, they are not going to be here for a minute. And I'm trying to space it out to make sure I unbox enough things. So I have 3 different yarns here. I've got 3 different yarns from a different place that I ordered there. I have an order from, I don't want to tell you the companies until they show up. Like, I want to see... like if you're yarn people, if you know them, and if you're not, surprise. So I have some showing up on Monday. I have one that's coming today. Yeah, today. I have some that'll be here tomorrow, and then the rest look like they're going to be here Monday through Wednesday, and then a few of them haven't even shipped yet, and those are from the bigger dyers because they haven't been completed. Like Aquarius, I got another order from her, and it said ready to ship on the order, but after I ordered it I noticed, because I can't read apparently, I'm not good at that, I saw the colors and completely lost my mind. There are ready to ship but can't read or speak. Why am I here? They're ready to ship, but they're pre-orders for like 3 to 5 weeks, so we'll see what happens there. Hopefully they're here soon. I don't know, everything should be here before Christmas, so I don't really care that much, but we're going to play with it. First, I got 2 of the minis of this color. This is called Amber Nights. It is in Crux, which is one of her bases that you can see on the website. It's Crux. It's 100% merino. It is ranked at weight 1. Super fine. It's 3-ply, 219 yards for every 50 grams. And then it says hand wash in cold water and lay flat to dry. It's super cute. Her logo is adorable as well. She is... I don't know where she's from. Can I visit your website? Is there an option for that? Sure isn't. To the Google machine. Aquarius Made. Oh, it's Aquarius Make. I'm saying it terribly wrong. I'm so sorry in advance. Because I, as we've established in this video, cannot read. Yeah. Where does it say she's from? Oh, it doesn't. Does it on her Instagram? I swear I've seen it. I follow her on Instagram too, because her yarn is honestly fabulous. It doesn't say where she's from. I'm not doing well. Moving on. Aquarius Make, as we've established, she's a lovely dyer. Check her out. All her socials are right here. You can totally find her. But she made several of these. They're acid wash, and they're so pretty. Like, look at the colors on this. Do you see this? Do you see? I need to be in the light. That would help. It's got so many, like, gorgeous blues and golds, oranges, a little bit of purples in there. So I bought 2 of these. I don't know what I'm going to make with it, honestly. But Austin loves them, and he requested that whatever it is for him. So it will probably be a scarf. I might pair it with like a nice cream or a gray to give it some really fun colors. Or other things that I ordered for him, because I did order him some more really fun colors from her. Yeah. So there's that one. I'm running out of space. Guys, I'm a mess. I bought 3 of this one. This one is called... It's just one of a kind. It doesn't even have a color name. It's just Oak. This one is on the Cygnus base. It is a super fine as well. This one is 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 4-ply, 463 yards, and 100 grams. Gorgeous. So I bought 3 of these so that I can make really fun things with them as well. You can already tell that Vlogmas is just going to go downhill if this is what I'm pulling out already. I guess we should do a yarn total as well of like how many yards I have. So we'll do, across the bottom, we'll do a math thingy of how many yards I've added to with each bundle that we add to this. But this one is, and these are all 3 the same, so they came from the same like dye lot and the same batch, but they have different like color bases and like flecks in them, which is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So this has some like really pastel blues, some deep purples, some like magenta-y, what would you call this? It's like a maroony, almost, like a maroon-ish. There's this like peachy color in there, and each one is a little different. So like this one has more of the blue and purple in it, this one has more of the peachy tones, and then this one has more of the maroon. I lost my mind. But they're so soft, like super plush, feels really nice. I love it. It's honestly really great. My ball winder is not here yet though, so we're not going to wind these. This will be one that I do in a different video to show you what they look like with the cakes, but I'll post them in another one of the videos for Vlogmas so that you guys can see it. I feel like this video is going to be really short, mostly because I still have to edit and get ready for bed, and I'm tired. But first we're going to taste this snow. This one says it was like blueberry, what does it say? Blueberry, blackberry, and apple. And it's one of the only ones that turns at colors. Most of the water drop thingies don't really have a color to them. They're just kind of like the flavor and a light thing. So give it a nice shaky. I will say my only issue with these bottles is that you have to like really make sure the lid's on because it'll all right, let's see. Ooh. It's definitely more blueberry than anything. Light blackberry. Super tasty. Definitely needs to be cold though. And this one's kind of sweet, which is interesting because there's no sugar in this at all. 0 sugars. Sugar-free, calorie-free, vitamin C, thiamine, vitamin B12. So, not a bad brew to have for today. I'm gonna go drink this, and I will see you all tomorrow for day 2, 3, 2? What are we counting for the intro? I will see you for another day of Vlogmas. Bye!